Hello, and welcome back to the innovation season of the Lufthansa Group Insight Sessions. I'm sure you all prefer a relaxing flight and maybe a good cup of hot coffee, especially on long-haul flights. After all, intense business meetings, exciting vacations, or perhaps romantic reunions await us at our destination. So it's even more annoying when some of the amenities on board don't work. The seat cannot be folded back, the in-flight entertainment program cannot be used because the screen is broken, and the cell phone battery is flat because the charging ports are not working. To counteract these problems, my team and I have developed a digital solution that supports our crew in maintaining the cabin.
Thank you, Nima, and hello to all viewers. I am Prithvi Chintakindi, a data scientist here at Lufthansa Group. Our crews carry out a thorough check of the cabin interior at the start of every shift on an aircraft. This ensures that they are familiar with the cabin and any of its irregularities. Currently, the crew is informed of all these known defects via a multi-page PDF document called the Hold Item List. However, this long document simply lists all the defects, making it difficult for colleagues to remember everything and act immediately. This also carries a great risk of critical points being overlooked, which not only leads to inefficient briefings for our crew members, but also an unpleasant experience for our passengers. Now, we wanted to tackle this problem using large language models and artificial intelligence to accurately structure the whole item list, but more importantly, to present the cabin status in a user-friendly and accessible way. Using natural language processing techniques, we extract, process, and organize individual entries in the whole item list. In the next step, our machine learning model classifies these entries into error categories such as seat, galley, emergency, or in-flight entertainment. On our crew tablets, these problems are displayed in a structured manner and localized directly in an aircraft-specific seat map. What sounds so simple is the result of our specially tuned deep learning models, which have been trained using more than 40,000 high-quality manually labeled messages. But we don't want to stop here, which is why we are going one step further and working on an augmented reality-based whole item list visualizer that will transfer these defects from our 2D tablets into the real world. This new form of visualization creates an immersive experience by adding digital elements to our real world, making it easier to locate the cabin defects and making it more accessible for our crew members. But let's take a look at how this works in practice. Here in our flying lab, we have a test environment and a prototype of our application. As soon as the whole item list visualizer is activated for all our Lufthansa Group teams, it will help the cabin crews identify defects more quickly and take appropriate action, such as rebooking a passenger to another seat. In the application, a comment function for each defect ensures that all relevant information is shared not only among the crews but also with other teams such as maintenance or technical staff. This visualization application enables us to take faster, more efficient actions when defects occur and counteract any negative impacts to the onboard service, passenger comfort, as well as security. This combination of advanced technologies and new processes will improve our onboard operations for crews, increasing passenger satisfaction, punctuality, and safety.
Hi, you're already back again. With the new tool, our flight attendants will ensure that your flight is as pleasant and comfortable as possible and that your coffee is served hot and delicious. I'm personally very pleased that our project has been selected to be presented in this Insight session, and I'm convinced that all of our colleagues and passengers will benefit from it. In our next session, we will look at another use of augmented and virtual reality in in-flight crew training. I look forward to welcoming you again soon.